WordPress is a highly popular content management system, CMS, that enables users to create and manage websites easily. It powers over 40% of websites on the internet and is known for its flexibility and user-friendliness. WordPress offers two platforms, WordPress.com hosted and WordPress.org self-hosted. In 2024, there will be numerous user-friendly WordPress website building and customization tools available. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners. 1. Choose your WordPress platform. Decide whether you want to use WordPress.com hosted or WordPress.org self-hosted. WordPress.com is simpler as it takes care of hosting, while WordPress.org requires you to find a hosting provider. 2. Select a domain name and hosting provider for WordPress.org. A domain name represents your website's address on the internet, and hosting is the service that stores your website's files and makes them accessible. Choose a reliable hosting provider and purchase a domain name. 3. Install WordPress. Follow your hosting provider's instructions to install WordPress. For WordPress.com, simply sign up for an account. 4. Choose a theme. WordPress themes control the design and layout of your website. You can find free or paid themes in the WordPress theme directory or other third-party marketplaces. Select a user-friendly theme that suits your needs and preferences. 5. Customize your website. WordPress offers a customization panel where you can modify your website's appearance and settings. Start by adjusting the basic settings, such as your site title, tagline, and time zone. You can also change the appearance of your website by modifying the theme settings, adding a logo, changing colors, and adjusting layout options. 1. Install essential plugins. Plugins are add-ons that enhance the functionality of your WordPress site. Some essential user-friendly plugins for beginners include Akismet to protect against spam comments, Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Contact Form 7 or WPP Forms for creating contact forms, Updraft Plus for website backups, W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache for website caching and performance. To install plugins, go to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for the desired plugin, and click Install, followed by Activate. 2. Create pages and posts. Pages are static content like your homepage, About Us, or Contact page. Posts are for blog entries or updates. To create a new page or post, go to Pages or Posts in the WordPress dashboard and click Add New. Use the visual editor to create and format your content. 3. Create a navigation menu. WordPress allows you to create custom menus for your website. Go to Appearance Menus in the dashboard. Select Pages and Posts to add to your menu, save, and assign it to your desired location, such as the main menu or a footer menu. 4. Publish your website. Before making your site live, ensure all necessary content, pages, and settings are in place. Once ready, go to Settings Reading in the dashboard, and under Front Page Displays, select a static page and choose your homepage and blog page. Click Save Changes. 5. Promote and maintain your website. To drive traffic to your site, use social media, search engines, and other marketing strategies. Regularly update your content and keep your WordPress installation, themes, and plugins up to date to ensure optimal performance and security. This step-by-step guide will help you create a user-friendly WordPress website in 2024. Remember to always back up your site before making significant changes and seek help from WordPress forums or support if you encounter issues.